What's up everyone? We did a quick video today of the Coleman area. We took video of the area south of Wildwood, south of the Water Lily Bridge, and then we got some video of the area just south of Brownwood along Megason Road. So we have 3 videos coming out for you in the next few days. Stay tuned for those, but we're going to get into Coleman here. Not a lot going on in Coleman right now because they're focused on the Chitty Chatty area and the area south of that, St. Catherine, Hawkins, all that. But just did a quick flyover for you so you could see what's going on, and hope you enjoy it. We are back at it, everybody, going over the Coleman area here. So we're starting at the north end of Coleman. We are going to turn toward the south here. That is Red Fox and Gray Fox golf courses right in front of us. Those are executive golf courses. We did a video on that not too long ago. I will link it above if you'd like to check that out. But currently, not a whole lot happening in this area. There's only a couple construction trucks going through here. So what I believe that they're doing is, obviously they're burying all the pipes for the water, the sewage, all that type of deal. The other thing that they're doing is they're bringing in fill dirt and they're putting it into place. What they do is the villages will move fill dirt from one site to another, and it will sit there until they need it, and then if they have to go get it from a site, they'll go get it. So you can see some of this fill dirt up ahead here. Some of it hasn't been touched in a while, which is why you see all the grass growing over it right here on the right hand side. And then there's more here up to the front as well. You can see some of the smoke up there where they're clearing some stuff. And then we're going to dip down. These are the few vehicles that are still here that are actually working today. So you can see all the drainage pieces that they're putting in for sewers and water runoff, and they're working on these pools, these water retention pools, where they'll funnel water back and forth for your reclaimed water for your houses, your grass, and all that type of deal when you want to keep your yards wet in the summer and in the fall when it's not raining. You can see some of this area hasn't been touched in a while because it's starting to grow back in, like what we're seeing right here. You see the quarries in the distance right there, and then Coleman Prison is right over there, straight in front of us. As we spin around, you're going to see Gray Fox, and then you're going to see Red Fox. Both are executive golf courses. Now we're going to go back north, and we're going to skirt the golf courses and kind of pan both, alongside the Coleman area here. So not any plans have been released for this yet, at least as far as I know. If you do know that there's been plans released for this, or you've heard anything, let me know and I'll put it in the next video. But thus far, there's nothing on the website saying where the homes are going to go or what the roads are called or anything like that. Just the one leading in from the Fenny area. This is relatively close to Coleman, the actual city. Straight ahead of us, you can see 301 goes north. That's what that cut is through the trees. And I'll show you where it comes in from the north and splits off. But this is all they have going on currently out here. Not a whole lot. Working on the water retention, like I said. What you can do, well, what is pretty interesting about that water retention, to be honest, is they will move water from one pool to the next if one area is low on water. So if one area is low on reclaimed water, they'll move it from one retention pond to the next retention pond, and then they'll raise and lower them as they need to. It's actually a pretty neat process. That way they don't have to pull water from the aquifer as much as they would if they didn't do this. This is the road that actually leads into the Fenny area, vehicle traffic I should say, and goes all the way down into the areas and the villages that are south of the turnpike. Little closer look. Some of the golf cart paths are going to come through here and into Coleman, obviously. The rec center is right through those trees there. We're not going to take a look at it. We're actually going to spin back around. I do have it in other videos if you did want to take a look at it. And then right up here, you're going to see where 301 comes from the north, comes south, and actually turns into Coleman right here. So you come down 301 and that will go straight in front of us, and then this other road leads into Fenny coming underneath us. I'm anticipating they'll be starting on this area as soon as they get the Brownwood area done. Brownwood video is going to come out in a couple of days. Not Brownwood itself, but south of Brownwood, just across Highway 44 where Megason Road goes. So stay tuned for that one. Thanks again, guys. Once again, subscribe, like, comment. Always happy to hear from you. Take care.